Hi, my name is Kevin Graham. I'd like to welcome you to the Community and Belonging Survey Project. I'm the president of Lookout Management, Inc. I've been conducting constituent surveys exclusively for independent schools for more than 25 years. This project began in a conversation I had with Steve Pilch back in February of 2022. I've known Steve since 1999. For more than 25 years, he was the head of the Shipley School in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. He's now the director of school leadership program in the Graduate School of Education at the University of Pennsylvania. Steve and I were talking about how we might have the opportunity to cross paths again and do some more work together. Over 20 years, we probably conducted 20 surveys, maybe more, for the Shipley School. We brought John Gula into the conversation. I've known John since 2003 when he was the head at the Blake School. He's now the executive director of the E.E. Ford Foundation in New York. The three of us met in a Zoom call in March to try to figure out how we might work together on something that could make a difference. I suggested, because I'm in the survey business, why don't we do a survey? And they laughed and said, well, you're going to end up doing all the work, Kevin. And my answer was, well, you're going to do the work in promoting this project and garnering participation from as many schools as we can possibly bring into the project. I want to emphasize that this is not a business project. This is a personal project for the three of us. This is not an E.E. Ford Foundation project. It's not a UPenn project. It's not a Lookout Management, Inc. project. This is our personal legacy project. For me, it's personal legacy project. I'll let John and Stephen speak for themselves. Nobody got paid to participate in this survey, and nobody got paid for the work they've done on this survey amongst the three of us. Between March and June, we developed and refined a questionnaire with the assistance of about 15 heads of school and school counselors, school psychologists, with great input, and we're grateful for their contribution. It was an interesting exercise, one of compromise, as it always is, in hopes of being inclusive and not alienating too many schools by how we crafted the questions. For 25 years, I've been witnessing how social emotional learning plays such a prominent role in the student experience. Unfortunately, I've seen too many conversations where social emotional learning plays second fiddle to what I might term in the colloquial, a more traditional farm to factory model with too much focus on hyperacademia. That was a concern to me. My hope in participating in this project is that we may be able to better articulate what most of us already know or suspect. Perhaps better put, my hopes for this project were that it would enable more than 22,000 participating students to articulate for us, both explicitly in their answers and implicitly through our analysis, the tremendous importance of the social, emotional aspects of student life to their overall well-being and to their outcome success. I'll leave John and Steve to introduce themselves and tell you why they've signed up and embrace this project. With that, I'll wish you a wonderful day. Cheers.